Hi everyone, this is Anna from AHOB.avi. I've got a chart up of the E-mini 500s. This is a 2-hour chart, 30-day time frame. What I want to show you is we'll look at the shorter time frame and then the longer one, as I do not believe this correction is over. Somebody asked me. I do not believe that it is. I believe that we have some more correcting to do before we see the bottom. But I don't want to sit here and call a bottom because you never know exactly when they're going to happen. You can only prep for the best and trade the best that you can. On the 2-hour, we do have the moving average showing bullishness because it's turquoise. However, that being said, it ran into some problems here at this resistance level, this red dotted line, and then started turning down. But you see the bearish divergence on the oscillator, and that is the green is the vortex, and then there's the stochastics in there as well. So now we'll take a look at the daily, because there's a trend line I think drawn in here. Where did she go? I'll let you out in a minute. Here. Okay, there you go. I'm coming. I'm going to delete. Okay. I'm going to try to open this up a little bit so I can take a better look at it. Now what I'm thinking on the daily is we're setting up for another drop. Okay. Here's your 200-day. Now we did bounce off of that the first 2 times. Well, actually only 1 time on this. I think the Russell was 2 times. And we did bounce off this. However, open this up a little bit. I don't see anything that tells me that, what I do see is a bear flag here. Okay, there's a little bear, not little, but there's a bear flag here. We were oversold. It's hard to say exactly how this is going to play out. I am not in any indexes at this time, and I am in singular stocks because they're at this point a little bit easier to read. Being that Monday could be strong in overnight tonight on Sunday, and then possibly we'll see some weakness into the week. I didn't hear of anything that could cause, some selling, something to trigger something. But that being said, we'll keep our eye on the dollar, which has sort of decoupled, but at the same time when the dollar really goes up, the market seems to suffer somewhat most of the time. And if the dollar goes down, the market still seems to suffer. So that tells me a lot right there. And that even with the dollar, now here's your dollar, which has a sort of a bull flag here. It hit this pivot right here. You can't really tell from the lower oscillator which way it's going to go. It could go either way. It's not giving you any clear direction on that. We had a big up day last week on it. And here we go. We're right here at this 75.14 level. Right, the next level up, pivot up is 75.20, I believe 20 or 21. So we'll keep our eye on that. There's not a whole lot. It's summertime. I just lost my dog of 17 years, which I don't know if everybody knew, but I'm still grieving. It just happened a couple of days ago, so I am really down in the dumps. But I wish you all the best. I'll try to do more updates this week. And if you're interested in joining the lounge, please let me know. info@hotoptionbabe.com. Thanks, and have a really, really great week this week.